Best Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition. In 2025, the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition has firmly established itself as a premier choice in the dual sport motorcycle category, blending cutting-edge technology with robust off-road capabilities. Designed for riders who seek adventure on both rugged trails and open highways, the Norden 901 Expedition offers a high level of versatility and performance. The 2025 Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition is powered by a 889 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, which delivers a powerful and responsive performance. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery and strong torque, making it ideal for tackling challenging off-road conditions as well as cruising on long-distance journeys. For 2025, Husqvarna has refined the engine to offer enhanced fuel efficiency and lower emissions, ensuring that the Norden 901 Expedition is both powerful and environmentally friendly. A standout feature of the Norden 901 Expedition is its advanced suspension system. It comes equipped with fully adjustable WP Sploor front forks and a rear WP Sploor monoshock, providing exceptional handling and comfort over a variety of terrains. This setup ensures that the bike remains stable and responsive whether you're navigating rocky trails or smooth highways. The bike's 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, along with its knobby tires, contribute to its impressive off-road capability. The 2025 model is also equipped with an array of modern electronics, including a sophisticated traction control system, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes tailored to different conditions. The Norden 901 Expedition features a large TFT display that offers real-time information, navigation, and smartphone connectivity, keeping riders informed and connected during their rides. Designed with long-distance travel in mind, the Norden 901 Expedition includes features such as an adjustable windscreen, a comfortable seat, and ergonomic controls, ensuring a pleasant riding experience over extended journeys. Its rugged design, complete with crash bars and a robust frame, adds durability and protection for off-road adventures. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and comprehensive electronic features, the Husqvarna Norden 901 Expedition stands out as a top choice in the 2025 dual sport motorcycle market. It offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and versatility, making it an ideal companion for riders looking to conquer a wide range of terrains and adventures.